Now, here's a shortcut that's only going to work a couple times, but if the coefficient is 1, whatever this is, that's going to be your pH making it positive. So if you flip it to a positive number, it's going to make it the pH there. All right, so you can kind of see what log does, is it kind of flips the exponents around. And so like if we had 1.0 times 10 to the negative 8th, this would be a pH of 8 because of that exponent there. All right, so it's good to know. It's so you don't have to type those ones into your calculator. But it's not very useful because most of the time when we're doing experiments, that's not going to be a 1.0. All right, so, but still, it's just kind of there. And it's nice to see like kind of how the logarithmic scale kind of works. Okay, so this is what I mentioned before. 7 is neutral. Less than 7 is acidic, and then greater than 7 is basic. So that's kind of our scale for the pH. And it could be like 7.001, that's going to be basic. Or 6.999, that's going to be acidic. It's very rare that you'll get something that's exactly 7. If we measured the water from the tap, it wouldn't be 7, it would be something different, which is fine. When you put water through like a Brita filter, that actually makes it a little bit more acidic. So like these things just kind of change water. You can actually buy water that says that it has a high pH. So there's all these, different things in there. And you're like, well, why wouldn't water just always be 7? Because there's usually minerals dissolved in the water, and that affects its pH. So if you have certain minerals, that'll make it go up. Certain other minerals make it go down. Acid rain, right? You've heard of acid rain, right? It's not going to be at 7. It's actually around 5. So it's a lot lower than what we would kind of consider neutral to be. All right, here's a scale, which has some things on it. I got this from Wikipedia a while ago. But you can see here's our 7, pure water. And if you look, there's not a lot of things that we eat that are basic. All right, so if you think about basic, all right, there's human saliva. That could be anywhere from 6.5 to 7.4. There's blood, which is a little above 7. We talked about that last year. Seawater is basic, but we don't drink that. Hand soap, again, it's good for cleaning your hands. Basic. Ammonia, basic. But look at all the things that we eat or drink that are acidic. Tea. Well, I guess we don't eat healthy human skin. That would be weird. Coffee. We have apple juice. Well, I guess we don't drink vinegar. But soda. Look how low that is. 2.5. Real acidic. I don't know if you guys ever seen like where they put like teeth and stuff in soda and they're like, oh, it dissolves and all that kind of stuff, which is kind of crazy if that's true. Lemon juice, gastric juice, this is your stomach acid, battery acid, and then hydrochloric acid is at negative 1.0. So you have all, this cool scale, and shows you all these different things in here. And even though it's really low, some things that are really low we can just drink, like soda. All right.